and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And I just wanted to show off the new collection, Deeper in the Woods, that just launched just this last Monday. What it comes with, if you buy the whole collection, it comes with 2 packs of paper, mats, borders, embellishments, and the border punch. So one thing that I do when I get my collection is I put them in one of these power palette sleeves. So you can see I have all my mats in here, and I just love this new collection. It's perfect for, it could be for camping, scouting, anything that is outdoors, hiking, trips to Colorado, RV trips, different things like that. There's a couple other, like a camper punch as well as on the road punch that would work really well with this collection too. And so it comes with those mats. And then so there is 12 and they're 4.5 by 6.5. And then the embellishments are, they come with these they have 3 frames that also come with them. And of course, now I can't get them to come out. I'll pull that out. We'll just pull everything out to get it to cooperate. It's like a little tab. There we go. All right. So the embellishments come like this. And there's 18 of them. 8 are flat. And what they are is they just have some like a velvety texture to them. So this green is what is flat. So that has these 3 frames, and then it comes with the rest of these embellishments. And I have them just in here because the pockets have 2 by 7 pockets. So these are all little frames, sayings, little wood circles, like trees. And then, so there's 18 of those. And then there's 12 sheets of the double-sided printed paper. And this is the texture paper. So it's like moss on a tree, wood bark, wood, ferns, pine cones, more aspen trees, more dissection of the wood. This is more, looks like brick covered in moss, more wood leaves, really, really pretty, tree bark, and then just a group of trees. And so there's 12 of those that come in that. And then the other one is just double-sided designer paper. So designer paper is going to have more tonal on one side and design on the other. And there's fern on the other side. It's got some acorns. Some wood green on each side. So I would call that like aspen, and then just regular. And then this is acorns, and then just more tree landscape. Acorns, or I guess just leaves, and then trees on that side. And this is like green plaid, both sides. So one is a bigger one and one is a smaller plaid for that. So what I also love is it comes with beige. So it doesn't come with it, but it gives you coordinating cardstocks. So beige, hot fudge, parakeet shimmer, avocado, and dark green is what you can, or what coordinates with that. And those are all current cardstocks. And then it also has, on this side, you can put your stickers or your laser cut borders. Stickers are 3 sheets. So one is going to be a border. One is going to have sayings, and the other is just going to be regular for that. Super cute. Super excited. And then the last one is going to be these borders, and they are 10 of these and it says 4 are flocked, which has that texture. So right here, I don't know if you can tell if I can get it up there, but it is like right here, that is what they call as flocked. It's kind of mossy. I would call it mossy texture, but it looks like there's, let's see if I can match all these up. Those go together. Some of them, they look like, they're not exactly the same, but some of them are, and they would go together. So those two, these two, these two for that. So you get 10 of them, so 5 sets of 2. And I just keep, what's nice is I just keep I took them out of the plastic bag, but I will just put them. And if you get the whole collection right now, you get it 10% off, which includes everything I showed you. I haven't showed you the border punch yet. And then it's 10% off right now. And then you also will get, let's get this back in there so I don't lose them, is what I love, remember we started doing like this year, is these project playbooks that are designed by Creative Memories advisors. And it has the cut guide, everything you need. It tells you what you're going to need is you're going to need everything that's in the border, or not the border, everything that comes in the collection. And then you just have to add bright white cardstock and hot fudge cardstock, as well as you need your 12-inch trimmer, a tape runner, pens, foam squares, rulers if you need it. All right. Sorry if it's like it was being very weird slow. So I stopped it and started it again, see what we can do. So it does come also the collection, if you get the whole thing, the whole bundle, you get this border, tree border punch. And then this is kind of these quick little borders that I made from it. So when it punches it out, and I can show you real quick, it's going to knock out the tree. So we're going to cut this up. Oh, I didn't match it up very well, but let's go through and it will knock out the punch. And then you've got these little trees that are left over that you can put a different color in. Kind of like what I did here is I have the green one and then I put the dark green in and some leftover brown. I kind of used it as shadow. So those are, I love this new punch. Can't wait to use it because it's kind of like got dual purposes. You can use as a punch out and then put some textured paper underneath. For example, we'll just use this one right there. So you can put the textured paper underneath, or you could punch out a different color and put in the other color as well. Or you can just use these as embellishments somewhere on your thing. So right now, like I said, if you purchase everything, it's 10% off. And if you go to Creative Memories website, it's under new. And I believe it's about $77 for everything. So that's 10% off plus the project booklet. And going back to the booklet, it has all the cut guides and it comes with, so this is all the cut. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-page spreads that you can complete on that. So come back. I'm going to go through and in a different video from this one, go through and do all the cutting and then start putting them all together. So it'll probably be, when it's done, probably a 3 video series because I don't want it to go super duper long, but I want you to see how nice it is to have it. And you will, in most cases, and I haven't done this one yet, they will there'll be leftovers and you can create some more things with that. So thanks for joining and have a great day.